Making money with eBay involves selling products online through auctions or fixed price listings. Here's how to get started and scale your eBay business. Choose profitable products. Look for high demand, low competition items such as vintage goods, electronics, fashion or collectibles. Use tools like TerraPack or eBay's completed listings to research what's selling well. Source products. You can source products from thrift stores, wholesale suppliers, liquidation sales, or even dropshipping. Local sourcing or purchasing in bulk helps keep costs low for higher profit margins. Create effective listings. Write clear, keyword-rich descriptions and use high-quality photos. Optimize styles and include relevant details like size, brand, and condition for better search visibility. Offer competitive pricing. Use auction-style listings for unique or rare items, or offer fixed-price listings for consistent sales. Provide free shipping or competitive rates to increase appeal. Provide excellent customer service. Respond quickly to questions and resolve issues efficiently. Encourage positive feedback by providing excellent service and quick delivery.